kosher food affect non-Jews or only Jews?
No. It does not affect non-Jews because we did not get to it, but it's spiritual. So we see, but we spoke about it a little today. Sorry. We spoke about today, like these non-Jews, these athletes, like the football players, like I don't know, like they're huge, like 7 times bigger than I am. You understand? They're healthy, and I never would be able to run like they. You understand? So it does not affect the health. So it's for non-Jews, but for Jews it affects the health, but how? Through the spirituality, as we explained. So it's opposite of it. So it's spiritually, and then people, of course, their mind become blocked, and they cannot absorb the Torah. That's the biggest thing, and it's I saw it many times. So you explain to a person, and he's such a genius, as I said. I think I told this story about this lawyer that like top lawyer in the. I'm not going to mention his name. Not in the country, but in New York where we live. Yes, he's a top immigration lawyer. So has connection, everything. Simple things could not understand. Simple. You understand? I think he speaks several languages fluently. Okay.